I will demonstrate to you the step-by-step procedure on how to access the Google Slides. Are you all ready? All right. So I will now share to you my screen. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to click Google Chrome or any browser. Type www.google.com. Next, you can type here Google Slides, or you can in the right corner, yeah, of your browser, you can find here Google Apps. So once you click this button, you will find different applications of Google. So you can click directly Slides. By the way, make sure that you are currently logged in your Google account. Okay? So you can click directly Slides, or you can type here Google Slides. But for this demonstration, I will just use the search engine. Okay? So once you're done, go to Google Slides, free online presentations for personal use, and then click. Now you have two options. And you have here personal and business. So all you have to do is to click personal and then go to Google Slides. So this is now your Google Slides environment. So you have different options. So we have here start a new presentation. We have here blank and template gallery. So in the template gallery, there are so many options and they are categorized. So we have here personal, work, education. So these are pre-designed template. So you can use them, yeah, and you can select depending on your preferred design. So for this demonstration, I will just use blank presentation. Okay. So actually, Google Slides is the same as PowerPoint presentation. The only thing is that Google Slides allows you to save your files directly to your Google Drive. So when we say Google Drive, this is online storage. So you can save your files automatically. Yeah, and you can access it if there's an internet. So that's the advantage of using Google Slides. So the same, yeah, this is now the workspace of Google Slides. We have here file, edit, these are standard toolbars. And we also have formatting toolbar wherein you can format and create designs of your presentation. So in this area, you will see the themes. Yeah. I know most of you are aware and knows how to use PowerPoint presentation. So it's still the same. Like the difference is you can only save your files directly to your Google Drive and you don't need to transfer them using your USB. But later I will teach you how to convert your files, your Google Slides into PowerPoint presentations so that you can also save it to your USB, or if there's some cases wherein you cannot use internet connection, so you can still download your files. Okay, so this is now the environment. So the same, if you want to add a new slides, just click the first slide, right click, and then you can add new slides. So for this presentation, we can use also templates. For example, I will be using this template. Okay. So I will just type here, sample presentation, and example, Maurice. And then, so for the next slides, I can write here, for example, subject, areas, example, entry to philosophy, understanding, culture, politics. So, okay. So if you want to format, for example, the color, all you have to do is to select, and then uh, you can use the formatting toolbar if you want. You can change the size, font style. Um, if you want to have border dash, so color, same fill color. If you want to add fill color, yeah, line color, yeah. Okay. So if you want to change the color, go to format options, size, position, drop shadow if you want to put shadows, and other options. You have more options here. Yeah, so you can change the color of the text. Or if you want to add photos or images, you can select photos you can upload from your computer, search the web from your drive, photos from URL or from your camera. For this demonstration, I will just use search to web. So it's really easy because you can search directly the images online. Yeah, from the Google image. For example, I will add here books. So you can directly just select the books that you want and then insert. So automatic. So all you have to do is to drag and then change, resize the image. Okay. So that's it. So the same as when you are creating your slides in the PowerPoint presentation. So once your PowerPoint is ready, you can present directly. You can also add uh, different transitions. Yeah, for example, if you want to have transitions, yeah, you can fade, slide to right. So for example, dissolve, and I can say that I will apply this to all the slides. So now, if I'm ready, I can present my presentation. So just click present or start presentation, or you can use Control plus F5. And now you're ready to present. And That's it. Or if you want to share this to your colleagues, to your co-teachers, and you want them to comment about your presentation, all you have to do is to share this presentation. Click share. Since we didn't put the title, so all you have to do is to save sample presentation, and then share with people and groups. For example, you have some friends or your colleagues. So you can type and select people that you want to share your file. For example, I will select Alexander. So here in the right side, you will find editor, viewer, commenter. So what's the purpose of this? So these are options wherein you allow the recipient of the PowerPoints, I mean the slides, to view. When we say viewer, the person who will receive this Google Slides can view only. So he cannot save or edit. While commenter, it will allow the person to comment, add comments to your slides, or if you want them to comment about your presentation, so they can put a comment about your slides. And editor, it means that they can download, they can edit or make some revisions about your presentation. Once you're done, you can write messages, and then you can send this to them. Just click send. Once you click this one, you can share your presentation to your colleagues or co-teachers. Okay, but for that, you can also, aside from that, you can also just copy the link and then share it to your group chat if you have some group chats. So you can copy the link and share it to them. So anyone can do something about your presentation if you share the link to them. Okay, so that's it. And aside from that, you can also download or convert your files or Google Slides to different kinds of extension. For example, if you want your files to be converted to Microsoft PowerPoint, ODP, PDF file, JPEG or photos, PNG, plain text, scalable vector graphics. So these are options. So all you have to do is just click file and then download. So just select, for example, I want to download this into Microsoft PowerPoint so that I can use this on my presentation offline. When we say offline, like you're not using your internet, or in your area there's no internet connection. So you just have to download it. Then there you go. You save your presentation into PowerPoint presentation. Simple as that. So easy. So that's it. I hope you've learned something from Google Slides, and I hope this will be useful in your presentation or in your class. So later, I will demonstrate to you how to use the peer deck. Okay.